What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in with you at the headquarters right now, working on my barbecue smoker grill. I wanted to show you a few of my updates. So I installed my tray. Check this out. Got it where slide it in, slide it out, so that way you can see it. Your fish fry on the side or whatever that you got you working on. And I also cut my damper out. Gotta put the lip on it. That way you can control the heat from the side. Got that going. Then at the bottom, I got my cleaner, so that way you can clean it. It's gonna have a little lock here. That way you can hold it up and just push it to the side, clean it out. And like I say, I've been still taking devices. I still got stuff to remove in the inside to patch up. So I'm gonna patch all these holes up, and still have to put my temperature gauge in once I remove this out. Like I say, I got a few things going, man, and I got 2 more trays to build, and I gotta go get some more expanded metal. But it's going as of now. It's pretty dope. So, kind of like how I did it, as you see. Push this to the side. That way to go all the way up. So that's already in there. So, that's what I'm working with, man. I'm using this Lincoln here so you can kind of know what I'm working with. I got this Lincoln 135, and this is a 110, 120 welder. Burns up to 5/16. Great for this. This is a 1/4 inch thick tube tank, so it works out great on what I'm fabricating with. So on small metals, man, this is the machine to go with. You don't even have to go really expensive. I think I paid $300 for this one used, and man, I'm not even exaggerating. I made 10 grand with this machine already since I owned it, and I paid $300 for it. So invest in your equipment, man. Once again, like I say, I'm about to sum this up, finish it, put my little top twist thing on there, and it's gonna be ready here in a minute. Hold on.